I know. It's very emotional. Alright, good morning guys. This is very emotional. We feel very sad. Like going back to the city, like staying with family, working, doing the house. Now we have to go back to the city and also back to our lives and our works and everything. So guys, I will see you guys in Tema. Hola. I'm just going to see my gran. I don't have any loose, but just going to say goodbye to my gran. To be unfair, not to. It's very early. I don't want to wake her up. Okay. So this is my grand's house. Aria, morning. Okay. Yeah, Jamoy.
Morning.
Check a channel. Yeah, Jamoy. He's not Tema. The mouth of young one, maybe. What should I be me? Alright. That was another emotional chat with Gran. Oh, the crew are coming.
Like this.
I know. It's very emotional. I don't want Jay to be on crying. It's so emotional, guys. That was hard because doing the house, living, talking to Gran, that was so emotional. I'll turn the camera off. I'll speak to you guys in Tema.